everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's awesome. I'm heading through the Gap. If people don't know, the Gap is a section of the mountains that you can pretty much drive through to get to the Forestry Trunk Road. I'm gonna follow the Forestry Trunk Road to a road that I traveled down a little bit last year, the Old Man River Road. I actually want to travel down that road as far as I possibly can. Last time I turned around and decided not to go any farther, but this year I've been looking on the map. I'm not too sure. It's supposed to connect up with the Forestry Trunk Road again, but from what I've seen on the map, there's a couple washouts, so I don't know if I can get down that far. I'm gonna try. I have my Garmin InReach. I'm tracking my progress, and yeah, Garmin InReach. Never leave home without it. I'm not in cell phone range. Anything can happen. Get a flat tire. I do have a spare. I do have things. At some point, I might air down my tires if it gets too bumpy. This road gets a little bit crazy. And yeah, I'm just gonna head out there. I will see you along the way. All right? Let's go have some fun. Hey everyone, so I'm at the road. I traveled this last year. There's two campsites up here, provincial rec sites. I think one's the Old Man River and the other one's Honeymoon Provincial Park rec site. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down this as far as I can possibly go anyways. I'm hoping to be able to follow it all the way around right back to the Forestry Trunk, but on the map I have my doubts, but I'm gonna go down here anyways and go from there. All right, I will see you later. We're gonna have some fun. All right, here's a really nice camp spot. I'm gonna pin. Yeah, campsite there, campsite there. I know. I probably had a video like this last year, but it was different time, different place. I never came out here in the summer. I'm pretty sure it was like early fall, and there was the leaves are starting to fall and stuff. Still beautiful. Got a river right here. Make sure there's no bears around. Yeah. Wow, that water's flowing. A little bit of a waterfall happening there. All right, this is pretty wicked. Water's starting to flow pretty good. This place is really nice. Holy moly! Yes, please. I would camp here in a heartbeat. Yep. Right, let's go back to the vehicle. Wow, that was cool. Yeah, that was awesome. Got it all in my thing. I would definitely camp here. Pretty awesome. Need to put that away. That sun is brutal. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oof. This road is rough. All right, we're on our way. Let's rock and roll. All right. Well, I found another camp spot, but the road's pretty rutted. And I don't know if I should go down. So I'll show you in a sec here. But this spot looks epic. See, it's pretty rutted. I probably could make it, but I don't really want to chance it, considering I'm out in the middle of nowhere. But I saw this campsite from the road. It's like a little waterfall there. Check it out. There's a little seat someone built. Let's see. Little seat. There's a couple chopping benches. There's like a little stream happening here. Wow, this is kind of a ride. Let's go check it out more. Yeah, like this would be all right. Getting it on a muddy day, on a rainy day would suck. So, yeah, this is pretty all right. Yeah, there's like a waterfall right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, let's get back to the truck. All right, back in the truck. That one's all right. I just wish it was a little bit easier to get into. Campsite 8. Campsite River. We're gonna call that one River. All right. If you ever get a chance to buy a car mount, it's called actual car mount. For your car, for a magnetic mount for your cell phone. Do it. They're pretty awesome. They're really strong. And yeah, it's holding my tablet like a champ. Okay. All right. We're off and running again. But yeah, if you ever get a chance to get a magnetic mount, it's called car mount. You can find them on Amazon, or you can buy them right off their website. They're a little cheaper off Amazon, but they work great. I'm gonna get a second one for the tablet. The one is holding it, but I would like a little bit more stability for when I'm on back roads and stuff. But yeah, they're great. Yeah, I'll show you here. Right there. Whoa. Right there. Awesome. Comes with a mount and 2 plates for your cell phone. They're great. Love it. All right, we're gonna continue down and see you after a bit. I guess we're stopping so quick because I saw this campsite. This one's kind of a drag. I would say it's, well, I guess you could drive in here with my truck. The trees are really close together. My girlfriend would love this place because it has lots of hammock trees to hang her hammock. But if I drove in here, I could set up my rooftop tent no problem, or even in there. There's a fire pit. There's one over there. There's another spot like right about there. Yeah, this is pretty great. Flipping, get to hear the sound of the rushing water all night. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Yeah, you could definitely grab a chair, have a coffee by the river in the morning. I wish I had a spot. I would take that tire with me. That's brutal. I don't really have a place to put that tire, unfortunately. You know what? I'm gonna take it with me. Screw that noise. Let's go. I do. I'll make room for it. Because that's bullshit. Excuse my language. I'm just gonna throw it in my back seat, I think. Should be fine. I'm gonna take this with me, and then I'll bring it to work with me and get Fountain Tire to pick it up as a casing. They'll be able to recycle it. All right, here I am. All right, here we go. There, it's in my back seat. We're good. Come on, man. The world's not your garbage can. Drives me nuts. All right, I'm gonna pin drop this spot, and then we're on our way. All right, found this awesome waterfall. I've never been down here. I should have came down a little further last time I was down here. That's a bummer. Gonna be right on the top of the falls, I think. Let's go check it out. Whoa! Well, let's go down. This is pretty awesome, actually. So beautiful. Pretty crazy. Yeah. Man, this was pretty wicked today. Pretty wicked. Yeah. I have a feeling this is going to be a long video today. So awesome. Alright, I'm going to take some video of this, and I'm going to go back to the truck. Alright, I'll see you then. Pretty awesome, I tell ya. Okay. The only bad thing about having my tablet there, it's really hard to get to my shifter knob. So let's get going some more. This is turning out to be a pretty wicked road trip. There's a camp spot right there. Probably if someone wanted to designated trail system in effect to stay on the trail. Huh. There's hiking trails and stuff in here, eh? Maps. Parking. Awesome. Oh. All right, let's keep going. Well, that's it. I kind of had a feeling that's what it's going to be like. There's a big gate across it. It looks like it gets even sketchier past that point. So I'm going to drive back. I will see you when I'm at the very end. Again, because you don't need to get bored with all that driving back. and then maybe we'll find some place else to adventure. Kind of curious. So, all right, time for me to go back. It's a little bit of a drive, I think. Well, that was a fun drive. So I'm right at the beginning. I needed my water and I needed a bag of chips because I've got the munches. So I think we're gonna go down that way. Haven't gone that way yet. I'm gonna try to I'm hoping I can find a campsite somewhere down in that area. Because there's a road I want to take tomorrow morning out. It's a different way, not going through the gap. It's called Indian Graves. It goes through I think it's Hailstone Butte and Indian Graves provincial rec sites down in that area. So I want to take that out. It takes me to the 22, the same road I came in off of. And yeah, it looks awesome. So yeah, I think we're gonna go down here and find a campsite, and I'll probably see you at the campsite. Well, I know I did say I'd meet you at the campsite, but I couldn't find a campsite in the public land use, the backcountry, so I'm going to Indian Graves. But I decided to stop at the place I was going to stop at tomorrow morning. That's Hailstone Basin. This is pretty awesome. It's a little windy, excuse of the wind noise. I should have put my mic on, but being lazy today. Let's go check this out. This rock is kind of weird. Holy. This is pretty crazy. Craziness. How's that for It's a little windy. A little bit windy. Yeah. That is a pretty wicked view right there. Can't complain. Well, I think maybe the footage might be not so good because of that wind. But that's awesome. Still some snow. You can still see snow. There's a fair amount right there. I'll show you in a sec here. Let me get down this little hill. It's a little windy. It's a nice day. Just slow breezing. Yeah. You can check it out. Some snow right across the basin. Up on the hill a bit. When it was coming down through there was some snow too, so but it's still, you know, it's not quite summer yet. It's still kind of spring, but it's been super hot, which I'm pretty impressed by. Alright, I'm going to continue. I'll see you at the campsite. Hey everyone. So I got to my campsite. I'm in Johnson's Creek designated camping area. So this is basically free camping. I went down to Indian Graves. Honestly, I don't really want to spend $26 a night for me site. So yeah, this one was perfect. I don't have that far of a drive out to the 22 in the morning. I might actually go all the way to the main highway. It'll probably be faster than going down the 22 all the way. So yeah, it'll probably be faster if I just go straight to Nanton, and then I'll book over home. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'll have coffee in the morning. Definitely. Because the nearest Timmy's is basically Nanton, and I'm not even too sure how far Nanton is away. This campsite's pretty wicked, actually. Have like a little stream. Let's go walk down here. Yeah, the only thing I have to do with my tent is throw my sleeping bag and stuff, but yeah. Have a little stream there, walk down to it, no problem. There's a couple trails. Looks like it goes back in a little ways. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. I don't know why, like I've lived in Lethbridge 8 years now, and I've never even known about this place until a guy I work with told me about it. He says it's probably one of the nicest drives around. And you know what? He's probably not wrong. But I didn't film some of it because I didn't want this video to be like an hour. I could have made it an hour, but I didn't want to. All right. Well, I'm going to set up the rest of my tent, and then, yeah, I don't know. I'm going to make supper a little late because I'm warm and I don't feel like eating right now. Hey everyone, you're probably wondering,
WTF?
Well, I did some filming. I had beer 30, had a delicious beer. Unfortunately, I don't think I had my mic plugged in all the way after I changed my battery in the GoPro. And yeah, everything after I last talked to you was pretty much gone. In the tent, I watched a movie, Ray, awesome movie. I had a beer, I had a little bit of a spill. I'll show you that right now. It was pretty funny. And yeah, my outro, everything, no audio, zero. So yeah, it must have not plugged it in when I changed out my battery, but hey, lesson learned, double check that. So I just figured I'd explain. I'll leave you at that, and I'll show you the drive out right now. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, awesome. That'd be great. If you want to see any more videos like this, you can check it out right here. And I will see you in the next one.